Hi everybody, Carly Fraser here with Fraser Ford. We have been able to partner with our manufacturer, Ford of Canada. Ford is producing face shields for our frontline workers, and every Ford dealership across Canada was given face shields to donate to the local charities. Fraser Ford will be donating face shields to Lakeridge Health here at the 5 locations in Durham region, as well as at the Northumberland Hills Hospital in Coburg, and that will be coming through our Fraser Ford Coburg location. We are thrilled that Ford has been able to do this and thrilled that they are partnering for such a wonderful cause. We are so incredibly proud to be part of this initiative. And thank you very much to our frontline workers. We know you are sacrificing such great amounts of time and willpower and mental fortitude to be able to be there for the rest of us. Thank you very much for all that you do. We are incredibly proud to be donating these to you and look forward to getting them to you right away.
Thank you.